Welcome to the Private Markets Whisperer. I'm your host, Peggy van der Blasch. So today we will address a basic but super important question when you start investing in private markets. And that question is, what budget should you allocate to your private investments? Depending on your geography, the regulations are different. You can allocate more or less of your assets to private investments. But regardless of regulation, my personal advice is invest what you can lose, invest what you can forget about, invest what you won't need. So when you start investing in private markets, assume your risk tolerance is minimal. And this is because private investments are extremely risky, especially early stage. They can be extremely rewarding, but you can literally lose 100% of your capital overnight. And on the other end, it usually takes 10 years before a company gets a liquidity event. A liquidity event is an acquisition, a public listing. Basically, it's going to be an opportunity for you to get your money back and hopefully some handsome returns. So again, investing in private markets is very high risk, and you will have huge delay in getting your money back. So this is not for the faint of heart, but as always, huge risks, huge rewards. So once you've established your budget, assume that you're going to invest in 5 to 10 companies. And why do you want to do that? For a couple of reasons of why you want to do that. The first reason is diversification. So you don't want to put all your eggs in the same basket. You want to make sure that some investments are going to fall, you're going to lose some, you're going to win some. So this allows for you to hopefully have a good return in average on your investments. But the second reason, which is as important, if not more important, as you start investing in private, is the fact that you want to learn. These 5, 10 investments that you're going to make in the first 12, 18, 24 months of your career as a private investors are really there to learn. And you really want to make the most of these opportunities, learning with each companies, which is also why you want to have multiple different investments. So you will make mistakes. Trust me, we all do. I did. There is not one investor who didn't. And if someone says he never did any mistakes, is lying. So for you, the next step now is watch videos on deal sourcing and on due diligence, because these are the next key steps for you to be successful. So if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe now. Unleash your inner private investor. Take care and keep investing.